Hey cruisers, what a difference a few weeks makes. We are back here at the Dollar Tree. This time it's chilly and I'm sipping some hot apple cider before we go in and do another power round of dollar store shopping. But this time we have a special mission. This week at Cruise Tips TV is Future of Cruising Week. We're talking all about the safe return to cruising, and we thought, how cool would it be to go to the dollar store and see if we can buy a safe return to cruising kit. Now, the extra super challenge that I've added on to this fun mission is that we want to spend under $15 and get as many things as we possibly can that are, relatively travel size and easy to pack for under 15 bucks. So we're gonna mask up, finish up my hot apple cider so I can power up, and we're gonna head in there and see what we can find. Let's do this.
I usually like to take a quick look around the store to get a feel for where everything is located. These glasses were cute, but not what we're looking for, so onward. The first item I spot is hand soap. This brand and scent looks nice, but I'll go with one that comes with a pump. These are great for travel, but be sure not to pack this 7-ounce item in your carry-on bag if you're flying to port, because it unfortunately exceeds the TSA ounce limit. This store had a great selection of hand sanitizing gels, so I chose an unscented brand and a tiny bottle for my purse. These cuties aren't coming home with me today since we're sticking with the safe cruise kit, but a girl can browse. The face mask selection was a bit limited in this store, but the price was right for a few extra disposables, and I liked how they packaged them in groups of 2. I can see myself tossing these into a shore day or embarkation bag. I've never seen travel size emergency at a dollar store, but these are the perfect immunity boosting addition to my safe cruising kit. I really like traditional Advil as my pain reliever of choice, but they didn't have it at this particular store, so I chose an allergy and congestion variety and a cold and flu kit because they're tiny and nicely packaged for my cruise medicine bag. Okay, big time deal alert with these Clorox wipes. I had to pick some up because I saw a smaller package at a drugstore for twice the price, and 15 wipes is enough for a week-long cruise. I may not need 100 disposable plastic gloves, but I'll tell you later why I bought these. Not a bad little haul, and I love it when there are no lines at the dollar store, especially on the weekend.
All right, we did it. One thing I forgot to mention before we started was that we were going to a new dollar store today, a new Dollar Tree, and we knew that this one was going to be a little bit smaller. And I guess the benefit of it being a little smaller is we were in and out of there pretty fast. The downside is it wasn't as much selection as the last Dollar Tree we went to. If you saw our video a few weeks ago, you know that there was so much selection. Sorry for all the traffic noise, by the way, but we are tailgating, folks, in the back of my car in a busy parking lot. So the audio is not going to be perfect, but that's okay. So we are feeling really good about our mission. And I actually found some things that I was really pleasantly surprised to find. The first thing I had no idea they would carry at the Dollar Tree is this little 2-pack of Emergency, which I thought was an excellent, healthy return to cruising item to keep your immunity strong. Honestly, I probably should have bought more of these, but I wasn't sure how I was going to do on my budget, so I got just one. So here we are, $1 total. Sticking with kind of the medicine cabinet theme here, I actually got 2 Advil products as well. One of them is an allergy and congestion relief product because you just never know what could happen on a cruise. And the next one is a multi-symptom cold and flu. So this one has, it has ibuprofen in it, but then it also has a nasal decongestant and an antihistamine. I figured why not? They're in nice little packets, so they're really tiny. You can just remove them from the box and they'll just pack right into your toiletry bag. So now we're up to $3. The next item I got will be great for the airplane if we're flying to our cruise, and that is a pack of Clorox wet wipes. These are excellent for wiping down the airplane seat, but if you want to just use them in your cruise cabin, you can wipe down your door handles daily. Perhaps you'd want to wipe down some bathroom surfaces, your remote control, things like that. A pack of 15 for $1 is a really good deal. So now we're at $4. Okay, next item, I had a hard time choosing which kind of hand soap I wanted to buy, but I settled on this Jergens because it has a pump. They had a few other soaps in there that didn't have a hand pump, and hello, it's cherry almond scented, which I thought was really nice. So this takes us to the halfway point, $5. So spoiler alert, we spent 10 total. We came in way under 15. So this is really cool and pretty large at 7.5 ounces. The next items that we got were a couple of different types of hand sanitizer. This one from Dermasil I really liked because it was unscented. And we decided to go entirely with travel size hand sanitizer this time, but I will say they did have full sizes. So I got this little Dermasil, thought that was a really high quality brand. And then we got this fun citrus hand sanitizer, a little smaller, maybe good for shore excursion days, things like that. Very loud motorcycle going by. And I think this takes us to $7. Then we got two very basic sets of 2 packs of face masks. It's probably going to be a good idea to take your own face masks on a cruise, whether they're disposable or washable. We just want to be prepared. So this takes us to the $9 point because these were $1 each. And last but not least, this is kind of my goofy purchase. I got these disposable gloves. Heck, I don't need 100 gloves right now, but for $1, these will come in really handy when I'm using these because this Clorox stuff can be really harsh on your hands, and I want to protect my hands, especially if I'm on an airplane wiping down my seat and I can't get to a restroom to rinse the chemicals off my hands. Definitely going to want to pop a few of these in my bag. So how do you think we did for 10 bucks? I think we did great. I'm really happy with this little safe return to cruising kit, and we want to hear from you. We want to know if you have dollar stores in your area. What type of dollar stores do you shop at? What are some of your favorite things to buy at a dollar store? And what would you put in your safe return to cruising kit? Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you for joining us for Vlogtoberfest. Thank you for joining us for Future Cruising Week. And until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.